So we looked at significance testing. Last chapter we looked at confidence intervals. And the question is, they seem pretty similar to each other. Is there a connection between the two? And the answer is yes. You can use confidence intervals to test claims just like you would significance testing. This is typically done, though, when we're doing a two-sided test. You see it once in a while with a one-sided test. It's just not as often. So if your null hypothesis is equal to, but your alternate is mu not equal to, or p not equal to, we know we have a two-sided test. Well, if you want to use confidence intervals, the first thing you would do is you'd find your confidence interval. This is going to be based on whether it's a 1% significance, a 5% significance. Your interval is going to change based on that. We'll look at a couple examples later. Well, now you have to decide. Once you have your confidence interval, where is my parameter? Remember, your confidence interval is based off your statistics, x bar or p hat. Your parameter, your mu or your p, the question is, does it fall inside the interval? If it does, you fail to reject the null. If it doesn't, then you would reject. So let's say, for example, you have a confidence interval from 5 to 10. If your mu value is 6, and this would be my null hypothesis, since it falls inside the interval, you would fail to reject. If, however, your null hypothesis was, let's say, 11, well, 11 is outside the interval. So in this case, you would reject. To put a picture along with this, you draw yourself a normal curve in here. Minimum, maximum of your interval. Anything above 10 is a rejection. Anything below 5 is a rejection. Anything between 5 and 10 would be fail to rejection, would be our non-critical region.